How to get Wi-Fi password on Android. Because I do not wish to waste your time, I'm going to tell you from the start of the video. You can get the Wi-Fi password on Android only if you have the Android 10 or a bigger version. You can also get the Wi-Fi password if you root your phone, but that is too complicated for lots of phones. And you can also brick your device. Also, you will lose your warranty. So do not search for another method, as it will not work if you do not have at least Android 10. So check the version of your Android device. Usually you find this in the About section from Settings. To share the Wi-Fi, tap on Settings. Tap on Connection. Tap on Wi-Fi. Tap on a connection. Here it is possible, depending on the manufacturer on your phone, to have a QR code directly. Samsung choose to put a button for the QR code. So let's tap on the QR code. Now on the phone you want to connect to the Wi-Fi, find the QR code and scan it. You will see the information of your Wi-Fi here. Also, if you want, you can screenshot the screen or save this QR code as an image and use any software to scan the image and get the info without another phone. This is how you get the Wi-Fi password on Android. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.